Exposing the boring in security training and how to fix it. Yeah, we've all been there, but what if I told you there's a way to make security training not just bearable, but irresistible? First up, Haiku's Trust No One mobile security awareness training game. Think less yawn fest, more choose your own adventure. Employees love to click and explore. Let them. Next, gamification. Turn training into a game. Who doesn't love scoring points and unlocking levels? It's like Among Us, but with fewer spaceships and more security savvy. And don't forget mobile friendly, available anytime, anywhere. Your team is glued to their phones anyway. Why not make security training part of their screen time? By making training fun and accessible, you'll see participation soar, phishing risks drop, and your data stay safe and sound. So, ready to transform your security training? Click the link in the comments below to learn how to gamify your cybersecurity training with Haiku. And hit that like button and subscribe for more tips.